Could there have been a practical use for flamethrowers or TNT in Antarctica, such as clearing snow or debris?
No, because it's very inefficient. The temperatures are extremely cold. A flamethrower does absolutely nothing about 4 centimeters from where the flame hits the ice. As soon as they melt the ice, the water flows away and it freezes again. So the flamethrower is useless. You have to use jackhammers, pickaxes, axes, spades to remove anything you want to remove. Flamethrowers are inefficient. We tried them when the power generator was melting ice around the side of the generator and it was running underneath the building and lifting the floor, damaging our power supply. So we had to crawl into the crawl space with jackhammers and remove it because we tried to use a homemade flamethrower type thing and it was no point, because as soon as the water melted, it flowed away. Within 10 centimeters, it froze again. We're talking of temperatures minus 25 to minus 45 and more. It does not work. Explosives, maybe for some seismic work, but those are very small charges, not the big hand grenades, dynamite, commercial dynamite. Excuse me, it does not exist there. It's not allowed there.